Si Dinky Leger. Shoot di ay nang moingon ta nga dili pilar ang pulong sa Ginoo. Pag hinulsol na mintras na apay panahon Darwin. Mintras buhi ka pa. So tagalogin ko yung sinabi niya. Katotohanan ba yan? Na ang salita ng Diyos ay hindi pilar? Mag-repent ka while may panahon pa, Darwin. Buhi pa ka, imo pang pagtulunan, wala mo uyon sa pulong sa Diyos. Buhay ka pa, pero yung aral mo ay hindi naayon sa katotohanan. Ang kinukote niya ay John chapter 1 verse 1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God. And the Word was God. He was with God in the beginning. Through Him all things were made. Without Him nothing was made that has been made. Shalom. Shalom kapatid. Kapatid na Dinky Leger. Alam mo kapatid, yung John chapter 1 verse 1, hindi po yan referado sa Bible. It refers to the Word incarnated. Sino ba yung verbum incarnatum? It refers to Jesus Christ. Dalawa po eh. Verbum inspiratum and verbum incarnatum. Let us distinguish that. These two. The first one is verbum inspiratum. It refers to the scriptures. It refers to the Bible. Word inspired po yan. Hindi po yan, magkaiba yan sa verbum incarnatum, word incarnated. Yung word incarnated, yung John chapter 1 verse 1, refers not to the Bible, refers to Jesus. Kapatid. So, dapat ma-review nyo yan ha. Maging Diyos yung Bible mo. Kung literally natin, the Word was, in the beginning was the Word. Kung itong Word na ito ay Bible, palitan natin. In the beginning was the Bible, and the Bible was with God, and the Bible was God. Naging Diyos yung Bible mo. Hindi po referado ito sa verbum inspiratum, word inspired, but it refers to the Word incarnated, who is Jesus Christ, kapatid. Okay? Ang katotohanan na sinabi natin, ang Biblia mismo ang nagsasabi niyan, patunay niyan. Basihahin mo kapatid ang unang Timoteo chapter 3 verse 15. The church is the pillar and the foundation of truth. Yan ang nakasulat sa banal na kasulatan. Kung gusto mo na maging orthodox yung sinasabi mo, i-review mo lang kapatid. Para ma-enlighten tayo lahat. Pati ako, enlighten ako sa salita ng Diyos eh.